Alright, here we go. Walking to the train station. Get to the airport in, I don't know, half an hour, 40 minutes, and then wait another, 3 hours to get through customs, and then we'll be on the plane. Alrighty. Stage 1. Got through customs, took a while. They looked at my bag and were like, what the hell's that? All the cables and everything. But sorted that out. And now we're just waiting for a couple of hours for a plane. There's Sydney in the background. Not a great day. But hopefully we get to LA, then Vegas. Be pretty lit. See you all in America. So as I was getting on the plane, I noticed this older looking gentleman and I realized it was actually Greg Norman. Now, if you don't know who Greg Norman is, he was one of Australia's greatest golfers. He is nicknamed the Shark. And during his career, he spent, listen to this Wikipedia, 331 weeks, that's nearly 7 years as world number 1 in the 80s and 90s. He won 89 professional tournaments, including 20 PGA Tour tournaments and 2 majors. So as a sports fan, an Australian sports fan, seeing Greg Norman standing in front of me, getting on a plane to LA, it was kind of cool for me to see. So that's who this was here, and that's why I put this short clip in here. Alright, made it to LAX. Now, check me bags. Gotta go do that customs before we gotta go to Vegas. Oh, check out this shit. This is America. Massive flag, of course, of course. America! Yeah, we're in Vegas. We're in Vegas now. The airport. Fucking hell. What in the world? Big rock lizard. In Vegas airport. Okay. That's what. Okay.
That's okay.
Of course, it's the baggage claim that's the furthest away. Oh, we're in Vegas. Sunny, hot as a motherfucker. There's the sun. Good though. I think I'm going the wrong way though. I'm going left. Left side. When every car's going the other way. Wait. Sure. I'll wait. So, I'm going to get a SIM card now because the one I got from Australia f***ed up. And then we'll be able to start doing some streams and stuff. Alright, see you in a bit. Look at this thing, it's bloody huge. That's why they call it a high roller. Should call it the huge roller. They had it right when they said it's a longer walk than you think. I think it's going to be a big bloody walk for a lot of places I want to go. Bro, I literally haven't slept for what feels like 2 days. How is it so far? It's pretty good. I would say one word, wild. It smells like weed everywhere. Oh, f I went down the wrong way. I'm Australian, I'm sorry. This is un-f***ing real, this place. It's an adult wonderland, honestly. Bro! Here we go. How bloody good's that? That's nuts. Hey, dude. Hey, dude.
Like what, 9,000 miles?
How fucking
Yeah, they were helping us find one another.
How bloody good is that? I know.
I think Blake was sabotaging it because he was telling me to go back.
He's a fucking asshole. You heard it. You're a fucking asshole, Blake.
But hey,
Yeah.
we did it. What's up, everyone? Yeah, see, I have to I have to stand on my tippy toes. I stopped growing after age 12.
They did it. I know. How good is it? Just the two of us. So this is where I'm staying at Las Vegas. Let's have a look at the room. So first impressions, not bad. Not bad at all. So now that we're in, let's take a look at what we got here. Dining table, nice for 4. And there's just me, so that'll be really good when I have a feast by myself. Now we've got the kitchen, which is what I need because of my food allergy, so I'm gonna have to cook my own food mostly. Can't trust most places to get it right. Some hotels have been good, but most of the time not really. All right, let's keep going. Now we have lounge room, telly, sound system. Don't worry, I brought my own UE boom. Then we have outside. Nice little, it would be a balcony, but I'm on the first floor. So good little spot to sit out. And then there's a pool just on the other side there. An actual bathroom. Well, after sitting in a plane for about 20 hours, and I haven't slept, I think, in maybe 40 hours. So I think I'm gonna get a good sleep. And talking about sleep, let's check out the bedroom. Nice big bed, massive, I think it's a king. So there you have it. This is where I'm staying at in Vegas for the next week. And then off to Orlando.